Right, so I have started cleaning it a little bit. As you can see, the pots at the moment are nice and shiny. Camera is not that great in the mobile phone, so I don't know if it's visible. So I've used normal washing liquid, the same one you're using to wash dishes, to clean it. It's simply because all the dirt that stays on the pots, you don't want it to get back, this dirt, to caliper. So it's always wise to give it a little bit of clean to the pots just before you push them back to the right place in terms to put new pads. So that's one side, and that's the other side of the caliper. And to have a view, proper view on the back of the caliper, you have to take off two screws, which is one is here and the other one was here. I already took it off. I'm gonna take it, the second one now. Please excuse me for crap quality, but I'm trying to do it at the same time as I'm making this video. So okay, you need like a set of Allen keys to take this protector off, right? Okay, and that's the caliper on the other side, and as you see, the pots here are dirty black. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna spray a little bit of my homemade washing liquid, just to make sure that all the dirt, dust and stuff like that goes out. And then using just a normal regular brush, you can give it a little bit of clean. Obviously if you're using two hands it will be easier. Okay, spray it a little bit, and as you can see straight away, it's getting back to the right color. That's how your pot's supposed to look like, silver shiny, not like here, because here there is one which is extremely dirty. I cannot get there correctly, but if you... Okay, now I will spray a little bit. And as you see, it gets back to proper nice color. Obviously you don't have to do it too hard, and because it's only like a dust that was accumulating over months or years, depend when your pads have been changed last time. So yeah, that's what you want to do on both sides. Obviously I've done it here before, now the back. You can do it with pads off, it's up to you. There is little pin lock here. I don't know if it will be visible. That's where my finger is, probably you can see it now. To take off the pads, first thing you must take off is this little pin lock. So yeah, as you can see, pads are moving on it, on this pin here. When they are new, Obviously in between them, when you're riding, there is a disc. And what's gonna happen now, when I'm gonna finish cleaning the pots, I will push the pots back into the caliper, because new pads are much thicker, so the pots need to be pushed back, and I'm gonna start recording when caliper is ready to push back the pots into the right spot, so you can see exactly what I mean, because sorry for my English, I might not be completely clear about this what I'm saying here, but if I'm gonna show, everyone will know what I mean. So see you soon.